Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this project. This is the Ford Ranger Raptor. My name's Amir and welcome to today's video where we are looking at the installation of laser lamps on this stunning Ranger Raptor. So the client came to us with one goal in mind, and that was to improve the usability of this truck. Now, the car can go anywhere, it can do almost anything. However, if you own one of these cars, you might know that the front lights just aren't up to standard. They aren't good enough for where this car can go in the pitch black, anywhere in the forest, in a desert, anywhere you can go, it's dark and you need the lights to be able to match the performance. So this client opted to go for laser lamps. Now, this is an upgrade we do all the time here at CBS Automotive, and it's a really nice upgrade. Now, the lights in here, as you can see, sit really discreetly and professionally in the factory grille. There's a little bit of modification that goes on, but the results are impeccable. It looks insane. It looks as if it was supposed to be there from factory, and the ability it gives you to see where you're going late at night is insane. These lights produce over 8,000 lumens of light. That is crazy. These laser lights, if you've ever seen them or used them before, you know how good they are. There's so many different options and looks that you can go for, whether they're little spotlights or grill lights like these. They are an insane bit of kit. Now, as well as it is important to pick the correct gear in terms of the laser lamps, it is important also to have your installation done correctly. So we were able to use, and if you know these cars, you'll know they have little auxiliary switches right at the top. Now, there's 6 of them in this car, awaiting anything that you'd like to add to them. However, getting laser lamps or anything aftermarket into those factory switches is not an easy task. If you ever tried to get these installed, you'll know that it's near impossible to get that done. However, we do the impossible here at CBS Automotive, and we made them work. So the way the client wanted these lights set up is as soon as you put your high beam on, these lights will join it and give you that full visibility that you're after. However, you can also switch it off using that auxiliary port, and you can just have your normal high beam. It's exactly how the client wanted it, but we can do it in so many different ways. If you just want it on the auxiliary switch, we can do, or if you just want it on the high beam, we can do that as well. But this is a really nice compromise and gives you the best of both worlds. Now, the client also came back to us to install some rear lights on the car. Now, these are the kit that he already had, that he ordered from America and tried to fit himself, however, wasn't able to. Again, that's where he came to the professionals to have it done professionally and correctly and safely, which is most important, on the rear of this vehicle. Again, coming on as soon as you go into reverse, providing amazing light and visibility all around this vehicle when he's maneuvering it at night. Now, there are so many options for laser lights on this car, but also so many others with different integration kits that we can offer. So please do get in contact and have a look on our website of what options would suit you and your car and what you're trying to achieve with the system, and we can try and make something tailored for you. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on this very bright Ford Ranger Raptor. And if you have, let me know down in the comments, and also let me know what truck you'd like to see on the channel next. I hope you've enjoyed today's one, and I'll see you in the next video.